The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the non-teaching positions in the Maharaja Shayajirao University of Baroda. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you just go to that one and click on that link, then you will be directed to the official website of this university. And here you can see the recruitment blog is there. So here the notification for the post of non-teaching officers, and here the non-teaching recruitment portal, and the notification for various posts of temporary non-teaching. So all these things are there. So first you just go to the notification for the post of non-teaching officers, click on that one, then you will be directed to this notification. So the total 23 pages notification is given here. Before going to the in details, first we will see in which positions the online applications are open. So online applications for non-teaching officers, cadre post as under a joint register, chief accountant officer, a university engineer, medical officer, and the next one is a public relation officer, documentation officer, system engineer, programmer, and the computer programmer. So eligibility criteria and other general terms and conditions you can see from the official website. And the candidate shall be required to apply online up to 24th July 2020. And the link is also provided here. The downloading of online application will start from 7th July, that means already started. So the last date to apply this one is the 24th July 2020. So these are the important dates and the positions. And while coming to the eligibility conditions of these positions are, and coming to the eligibility conditions, you can check for the joint register. One post is there for the unreserved category, and it is a level 11. Minimum pay is 67,700 as per the pay matrix of the 7th Pay Commission. And the qualification is a full-time master's degree with 55% of marks, okay, from any university established or incorporated under the central or state act. Apart from this one, the candidate must also have the bachelor's degree in law or labor law, or a post-graduation diploma in law or labor law of the university established by the central or state. And coming to experience, at least 12 years of experience must be there as assistant professor in the academic grade pay of 6,000, or else comparable experience in the research establishment, or else at least 9 years of relevant administrative or managerial experience must be there. So like that, you can check down for the chief accountant officer also. Here the pay scale is given and the qualification is given, chartered accountant. And similarly, while coming to the university engineer, qualification bachelor's or master's degree in the civil engineering and 3 years of experience. So here apart from the qualification, the experience is also asking. And for medical officer MD and medical officer MBBS, the qualifications are mentioned. And while coming to the public relation officer, master's degree with 55% of marks in journalism and mass communication or communication studies. And here age limitations are also mentioned, so please check down that one. And coming to the documentation officer, master's degree in any social science, and the age limit is not more than 40 years. So like that, you please go through all these details. So definitely the master's degree with some experience and with the concern discipline is mentioned. So just go through all these things clearly. Right? And if you're having any problem in applying the online application form, then here the mail ID is also provided. So you may put your query to this mail ID. And for more accurate and more details, please visit the official website of this university that I kept in the description box of this video. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.